So now I'm working on a 2019 Toyota Highlander. I already installed the hitch on it. Took me like 15 minutes. Now I'm doing the wiring kit. I decided to record this since I did the wire the hitch so quickly. So it's part number CQT 118449. It's a quick connect. So this works on the 08 and onwards. This is what the wiring kit is. It's like 2 parts. So I've already taken a couple of those. Those are easy to come out. They just basically clips. You pull off. You guys don't care about that. One of the wiring harness wires right here, and then the next one is here. So for this one, for the wiring harness, it's for the module. The module you put it connected to this one, and the harness itself for the 4-way you connect it in here. I've already done this, so I'm very familiar with it. And that's about it. The fuse box is here. It has one of the big, let me see if I can, so it has one of the 10 fuse in there, and then there's the small 10. I still have to get the front. See what I mean? He's a fisherman. When you tell them come with the vehicle empty, if I didn't have to, if I didn't know all the workers back there, I would have to send him back home, because I do not touch nothing in people's vehicle. For when things go missing, they say it's me. And then the small 10 amp, this is what's gonna go out the front, guys. So I'm gonna connect them, and then we're gonna test it out to make sure everything works. And this is all done. So I've connected them. You see, right here. I've connected them. I've connected this one. So this with the fuse. I'm just gonna safely place this into here. Oh, it's out of sight. To make sure it's flush, or else when I have to put this back down, it's not gonna go how it's supposed to. Here's the power wire. Well, the 4-flat. So this box is right there, guys. Put the 10 in here. And the fuse box cover shows you so I already checked for everything else. The night lights are working. I checked left signal, right signal, emergency, everything works. So now I'm just gonna put all of these back together, and this is basically done. Disconnect. As usual, I ground it to the muffler. That's it. That's how you install the 2019 Toyota Highlander. Part number CQT 118449. I'm gonna put this back together, guys, and we're all good. Hope you enjoyed.